What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know you see the new happening for the new year, so thank you so much for your continued support. But we are going to jump right into this wash and go tutorial. I am using some of my favorite products from Garnier. This is a curl treat line. Now I'm first going to go in with the Smoothie, which is great for defining the hair and moisturizing, and then I'm going to go in with the jelly, which is great for shaping. If you know me, you know anytime I do a wash and go, I always have to use some kind of gel to really lock in that definition, but also because I'm going to get the kind of hold that I want so that my styles last for more than 2 days. So with this wash and go, I can definitely get at least 3 to 4 days worth of wear before I actually have to restyle my hair. So I'm going in with a layering method. So first I'm going to go in with that Smoothie, and then I'm going to follow up with the jelly to really make sure that I'm locking in that definition and all of that goodness. What I really love about the jelly especially is that it does have a ton of slip, and a little bit of product goes a long way. So with this product, I'm really able to make sure that I am defining my curls, but I'm also able to run my fingers through my hair very easily without any snagging, tugging, or pulling, which is essential anytime you are styling your hair. But I just really love this curl treat line. Like, it's probably one of the best lines that I've tried for my wash and goes. Now, I have used this particular line before doing a twist out, but of course I really wanted to see what it would do for a wash and go, and here we are, so keep watching. Now, I'm styling my hair in sections to make things easier for me, but like I said, I'm going in with a layering method. So I'm going to apply that Smoothie first, and I'm really saturating my hair with the product to make sure that every curl is covered, not only for the moisture aspect, but because in the end, it's gonna really make sure that the style has a great lifespan, or like lasting days, and it's just gonna look better overall. So first I'm gonna go in with that Smoothie, and then I'm gonna follow up with my jelly to really define my curls, and like I said, for the hold aspect. Once I've applied all my products, I'm going to start scrunching my hair. Now, this is probably the most important part of the wash and go, the scrunching, because what it does is that it helps to really make sure that you're getting all of those products into the hair, but it's also helping to enhance the curl definition. So I'm going to scrunch it all over and just give some of the sections a little bit of a shake to really just help the curls clump together. All right, so anytime I do my wash and goes, I always diffuse my hair dry because it really helps to enhance the curl. It dries a lot faster and I get the volume that I know and love. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on high heat and high speed, and I'm just going in and stretching my hair at the roots so that I am able to achieve the length and overall desired look that I know and love for my wash and goes. So I'm pulling those sections out, but I'm also taking really big sections and moving over the hair very quickly to avoid any damage. I am going to take a little bit of the Hydrating Butter from the Curl Treat line, and I'm scrunching that into my hair to, one, break up the cast, but also add a bit of softness to the touch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my pick, and I'm going to begin picking out those sections, one, to loosen it up at the root, but also so that I get my volume and the overall look that I am going for. So I do not do a wash and go without a pick and without stretching the roots a bit, because it just will not work for me, at least. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know if you tried this out, and I'll see you in my next video.